What's up, YouTube? It's Johnny V out here in Biloxi, Mississippi. Thought I'd go for a little swim in the water today. It's been a while since I've been out here in this water. See how it is today. Hopefully it's no jellyfish. I mean, it's not gonna be clear. I already know that. You know, it's got maybe like a muddy brown. Let's see how clear the water looks. How I look? Good. There we go. All right, let's see how it looks. It looks pretty clear. I can see 6 inches. That's about all I can see is 6 inches, and it gets really dark. Oh, it's kind of cold. I wasn't expecting it to be so cold. I was expecting it to be kind of like lukewarm, but it's not. Can't even see my feet. The dog likes it. Is that the pier? Wow. The pier is gone. The pier is gone pecan. Oh, look how cool that is. All those little pelicans. I'll say little, they're pretty big actually. Let's zoom in on them. There's some guys out here fishing. I don't know what they're catching, or if they're catching anything. Catching a coal, maybe. How y'all been? Y'all doing all right? Good. Glad to hear it. Think I can swim out to Deer Island? No, I'm not. It must be high tide, because it usually takes forever to get out the. Usually takes forever to get out to knee-high water. I'm already to knee-high water. I'm already up to knee-high. And it's over my knees actually. I mean, I'm short, but still. It's 2.5 feet deep here. Maybe 3 feet deep. I'm almost up to my waist. Let's see. I want to show y'all how deep it is. People want to know how to water. Oh Lord, I just stepped in a hole. I mean, this camera is waterproof, but I don't know how much I trust that. Know what I mean? Oh, there's a bird. See if I can zoom in on the bird. That was pretty good. Think it matters if I take a whiz in a Gulf? I mean, the fish take a piss. What's the difference, right? Oh, I saw that fish jump. You're fishing in the wrong spot over there, guy. I just saw a fish jump. So apparently they got some fish out here. I don't know how many. Probably not a whole hell of a lot. Some catfish maybe, some what do they call those things? Sail cats? They call them sail cats. Sail cats. Sail cat. Wait, what are you calling it? A sail cat? What's a sail cat? I think it's like really supposed to be a sail cat. Like a sailfish. Sailfish, catfish combo or something like that. I was on a boat one time with my kids. We rented a boat out here, and the guy said, "Oh yeah, your son got a sail cat." What's a sail cat? Instead of saying sail, they say sell. It's like a Mississippi pronunciation, I guess. Got the whole beach to myself out here. I'm gonna get sunburnt real fast, I gotta believe, because I ain't got no sunscreen on. I ain't got no sunscreen on. When I say none, I mean none. It is only like 10:30 in the morning. Nice little house over there. What's that? And looks like they're building one over there. I might go out on the Betsy Ann tonight. I don't want to get near this freaking pier. I'll bust my ass. I think it's a pier that goes out this way. I mean, they really should tear it down if they're going to leave it like that. Like over there, at least you can see that one. This one's not really marked. If I'm walking, I could bust my ass pretty good. I'm not 13 anymore. But I might go out on the Betsy Ann riverboat tonight. It's like a paddle wheeler. Do a little collab with my friend Mississippi Wildlife. I'm gonna hit him up, see if he's off today, see if he wants to go out. He did camp out there on Deer Island a couple of days ago. Here comes, it looks like a shrimp boat coming in pretty fast. Thing's moving. Remember, click that thumbs up for me, smash it up, smash that thumbs up for me, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. What are they doing over here besides making a big mess? This little is usually a place you can park the cars and stuff, but it's closed off. You can't get through. I'll either have to back up or turn out from right there. Subscribe to my channel, smash that thumbs up for me, and hey, I'll see y'all next time. Over there's the Hard Rock and the Bow and that new hotel. I think it's called Legend. The big one's Legend. In front of that's Hittin Garden Inn. Hey, and I'll see y'all next time. It's Johnny V from Biloxi, Mississippi. Peace out, guys.